Codie for Just Nailed It, and today we are here to do like a Halloween manicure. We'll be doing some stamping, and I've got this plate here from Modelones 043. It is a Nightmare Before Christmas plate. As you can see, it is brand new. I've never used it before. I don't know where I got it. I don't know if it was a gift. If I got this off Amazon, AliExpress, I don't know. So I don't have a link. I don't have a price. I am sorry though. So we're going to take our remover, prime our plate, which means cleaning all the particles that could be left behind from this film. Just in case. Just in case. Now our nails we're going to be doing, we got some, I guess you might call them active length coffin. Compared to my nails, they're not short. I got a little bit of a thumbnail going on, but these are not exactly short. I'd call them short, but they're not. Anyways, we're gonna go in. We are gonna start with Sally. And I'm going to put his Sally, so I'm gonna put that first. Everything's gonna be done in black and white, of course. I got my reinforced sticky jelly stamper from Modern, and you can use my code on the website, NailedIt67. Save yourself 10% off. Here's Sally. Here's Sally. Now we're going to go in and do Sally. Clean my stamper real quick. Make sure it's, oh, I guess I should scrape her. Forgetting a step there. Low and slow, ladies. Low and slow. Great pickup. Get all the excess off the stamper. Anything you don't want on the nail, remove. So I'm going to get my stamper up here. My sticky. Oh, what is this called? Lint roller. Good lordy, I could not think. There's his Sally. Next, we are going in with, where is it? The part that says Nightmare Before Christmas, I believe it is right here. Put the plate. And if you can believe this or not, I've never seen this movie. Never. I know that's probably very hard to believe, but yeah, I've never seen this movie. Never. And you can't read what it says. Our index finger, we are doing this image here. Our middle finger is going to be freehand lines, which ought to be a treat for me. I'm not good at freehand. It's still something I'm very new at. Very new at. But I will do my best. Oh. Came right off the nail. Shoot, I don't want to push this down yet. Next is Jack. Jack. Her Jack. All we need is where it says her Jack. That is it. Alright, son. We're going to put Jack on this nail. There's something on this grater. Hammer. Where this thing is here. Jack. Her Jack. Try to take some of the excess off the plate from the my remover. Jack, we got Jack. I'm gonna try to clean my stamper up the best I can. There's Jack. I think that's really cute. Really cute. So I'm going to clean my stamper. I'm going to pause, clean this up, and I'll be back to freehand. Alrighty, we are back. We are ready to do our freehand. Got my little pumpkin nail stand here that I'm going to use. My unicorn brush by Robin Moses. It is a striping brush. You can get these off. Check her Instagram or Amazon. Not Amazon. You can check any of her social media. Trying to load up my brush. Okay. I'm going to try to go down the center first. That's not exactly my line I was hoping for. Alright. Can you live with that one? I'm trying to concentrate. I'm wondering why is she being so quiet? Just trying to concentrate. Tino says when concentrating you must control your breathing, which I'm trying to do. And the last line. But I do want to go back over this line over here on the left side. Oh, shoot. Shoot. So this is gel. I am going to pop this one in the lamp because I have a 30-second cure. I don't have nothing else to clean my brush. Looking for my acetone. Ooh. I'm going to clean my brush out on the top of the dispenser. paper towel, whichever you choose to use, but you must condition your brush. You don't need to take your product out completely, Tino says. But what I'm going to do, I have some coconut oil here. And that's what I like to put on my brush. It keeps it conditioned, it keeps the hairs nice and moist. Ta-da! And then I hang it. That's how I do my brush. Okay, now we are going to top coat. And put a little bit of black and white bling on it. Just a little bit, I think. On Sally, I did put some, let me find it, from She Modern, some sheer metallic pink crystal flake. And on Jack, I put the blue. I don't know if you can see it. Just a hint of a blue and pink shimmer on the stamping. You have a light hand, which I don't. I'm very heavy-handed, unfortunately. I've been watching a lot of Tino Bo. He is a nail artist. He does freehand pigments, gel, chromes. He does a lot of beautiful nail art items. So I've been watching him trying to pick up some tips and tricks. And one thing I need to practice and work on is being so heavy-handed. Okay, whoops. On to Jack, our last and final nail. I think this manicure turned out beautiful. So now, we'll put some black and some white on the nail. Let's see here. I'm not going to do every nail. Stay open, box. Stay open. I'm going to pour a few of these out on my mat. So I can get the sizes I need. Yes, sirree. And oopsie. That's pretty grab your nail. We do this on Sally as well. Stay in frame if I can. There we go. Sally is done. Sorry if I keep going out of frame. It's not my intentions. I'm just looking for my beads here and to flip them over. There we go. And Jack is our last one. Whoops. Oh snap, I dropped my gem. Hmm. Here is our Jack. He is finito. So here's our manicure. Let me check these out, make sure we are still straight. We are. I'm going to pop these in the lamp, give these a full 60-second cure. Okay, we are back. Fresh out of the lamp. I think our manicure turned out perfect. Completely perfect. What do you think? What do you think? I'm really loving it. Give me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of Jack and Sally. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos. Any giveaways I have going on, which I do until January. The She Modern Sticky Stamping Polish. The opaque white and black is a set. And this is open to everyone. There are rules in the video, so go find the video, check that out. US, I cover shipping. International, you must cover all shipping. But enter, if you've already entered, you don't need to re-enter again. Your name stays in the hat until your name has been drawn. And like I said, this will be going on until January, so check that out. Subscribe, share, give the video a thumbs up, please. I would appreciate that. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.